How to delete or remove recently played on Spotify. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and open the Spotify application on your device. You will see the settings option there. Click on that and now scroll down and tap on privacy and social option. Here, make sure to toggle off the button for listening activity and now toggle on the button for private session. Toggling this button on will hide your listening activity from your followers temporarily. Go back to settings and tap on storage and click on clear cache button and clear all the cache from the app. Now go to settings, tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Find the Spotify app there and click on it. You will see the option for offload app. Go ahead and offload the app and reinstall it again. By following these ways, you can easily delete or remove recently played from your Spotify. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.